Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
You should worry about your cat's cough if it is persistent or accompanied by other symptoms such as lethargy, appetite loss, or difficulty breathing. Occasional coughing might not be a cause for alarm, but if it becomes frequent, lasts more than a day, or your cat shows signs of distress, consult a veterinarian promptly. These could indicate conditions ranging from allergies to serious respiratory issues, requiring professional diagnosis and treatment.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.